So, hello guys. After a lot of thought, I decided to have a self care day. It didn't really go really well, but I'll tell you all the steps that I had undertaken. So, firstly, I just changed myself into a t shirt and I wanted to tie all of my hair up. But then I guess I decided to do otherwise because my pony wasn't getting settled on one place. So, you'll see me change that in a bit. So, yeah, but you can see my skin was looking a lot dull and I wanted to do something to my skin. So yeah, I'll just wash my face and come back and we'll get into the video. So starting off, I'm starting with the step number 1, that is a cleanser. I'll take it over a cotton pad and then apply it all over my face and cleansing off the extra dirt. So it tells me to be moving around for 2-3 minutes, but I don't think so that much is required. So this instruction is basically a lot useless because cleansing doesn't require 2-3 minutes. Second step is scrubbing. So there's a scrub which comes and it says that it's enriched with walnut shell powder and helps you exfoliate the dead skins, and they are mentioning that you should apply it for 5 to 7 minutes. I don't think so anybody's face should be scrubbed with a physical scrub for that long of a time. So even though this is so I got done with my scrubbing and I washed my face. Moving on to step number 3, it's a nourishing cream and I will be applying all over my face and massaging it really well into my skin to see how it works for me. So yeah, so far so good. My skin already looks a lot better with all of the moisturization that it has been providing me. Later on I move on to step number 4, and step number 4 is massage cream. So there's a nourishing cream and then there is a massage cream. The nourishing cream was with vitamin B and E, and the massaging cream is with glycerin and vitamin E. So this is said to be done for a longer time than the nourishing cream. So after all of the cream, I just thought of wiping it off my face, and it's also mentioned in the instruction if you feel oily to wipe it off. The step number 5 is a face mask. So I was very excited about this face mask because it says it has clay, glycerin, vitamin E and B, and it will remove all of the extra oil and tighten my skin. So as soon as it was dried off, I decided to clean it with a wet wipe, and this helps me. Sometimes you can even wash it off with normal water. I still see there was a lot of product left now that I'm seeing it over camera, but it was okay. My skin was looking, or maybe it was a leftover of the face mask, it couldn't get cleaned very nicely. I applied the last step, that is the finishing cream, and I thought, wow, what a glow, and I was very happy. But this actually turned into a nightmare, and I wouldn't advise this product for anybody, and especially with a sensitive skin.